When you personally are asked by the governor to come and fix, a huge problem, not only across Kansas, but across the nation, it's hard to say no. The unemployment system actually was listed as one of the highest risk systems within state government. You couldn't even use a mouse. Our customer service representatives had to have 4 or 5 screens up at any one time. You're still looking at a first call resolution of 25, 30 minutes. Unfortunately, Kansas, like many other states, were stuck in this perpetuity of just not being able to get people the benefits that they were entitled to in a timely manner. This was a system that needed to be modernized, and it needed to be continually modernized.
It's not just about the technology, but it's about how the workforce uses the technology in a way that is efficient and effective. The goal is not to implement a system, but implement technology that enables a new way of working.
The thing that I really enjoyed about TCS is once we signed that contract, they were right alongside us every time, every step of the way. Since we've gone live, we are answering 98 to 100% of our calls, and the first call resolutions are about 3 minutes. The system is easy to use, and for the most part, people can self-service. We're able to get accurate, reliable information that's timely, that really helps provide that forecast for the state of Kansas economy, both now and 5 years into the future.
We believe that the community is the ultimate stakeholder. And as we work with businesses and governments in the state of Kansas, we want to create an environment that is good for the community.
Selecting a good partner like TCS shows the nation that Kansas is in the forefront of technology. We were the fastest ever implementation within the United States, and I think that just goes to show our commitment, TCS's commitment, that we are going to be perpetually adapting and upgrading, adding in different components to this system to make sure that it benefits claimants and employers for years to come.